Hey, what's up? It's your boy Chris. I did this song. I mean, I was rap. And I think you good about it. Alright, this song called My Clique. Okay, My Clique. So it's dick. They're the ones I rap for. They're the ones I die for. I'm asking with my clique. Do you know we strap? I block. I form my key adjustments. Beat my clique. You pulling on the triggers. Running around the streets, jumping over them sheets. Extra plus, you know, we recommend, we recommend west side. Try to open my clothes. Too bad you did. Should never tried. Yeah, my clothes. So they the ones I rob. They the ones I die.